Pull up a chair, take a seat on a log. Just come gather round. The global campfire has something for all. We're excited to introduce you to the cAMPfire, our newest series. We really miss having the opportunity to speak directly with developers at our roadshows and AMPconf. There were so many fruitful discussions. It was our time to come together and talk about all the things, from high-level discussions all the way to very specific problems. And we want to make sure we provide a space for this to continue. So, the cAMPfire is here. Casual conversations about AMP, the web, and everything in between. Leave your questions in the comments or tweet at us with the hashtag #AmpCampfire.